On January 4, Cần Thơ National Assembly Delegation opened some meeting to mark the 75th anniversary of the first general election to elect Vietnam National Assembly, January 6, 1946, January 6, 2021, and to summarize the activities of the 14th National Assembly of the National Assembly Delegation for 2016-2021 term. National Assembly Chairwoman Nguyễn Thị Kim Ngân, Party Central Secretary, President of the Vietnam Foreign Front Central Committee Trần Thanh Mẫn, leaders of Cần Thơ City Party Committee, People's Committee, delegates of the National Assembly of Cần Thơ Hậu Giang through the terms attended. On behalf of the National Assembly Delegation, Mr. Trương Quốc Trung, member of the party's Central Executive Committee, head of Cần Thơ National Assembly Delegation, has revealed the anniversary of the first general election to elect the Vietnam National Assembly. Over the past 75 years, with 14 terms of operation, Vietnam National Assembly has continuously grown and effectively implemented functions, duties, and powers in accordance with the Constitution and the law. The National Assembly deputies have always shown and promoted well the sense of responsibility, quality, wisdom, and endeavors to be the deputies representing the will and aspirations of the people. National Assembly Chairwoman Nguyễn Thị Kim Ngân appreciated the contributions of the delegation of Cần Thơ National Assembly for the activities of the 14th National Assembly and the development of the country in recent years. Deputies of National Assembly of Cần Thơ City have brought into play the role and responsibility of the deputies actually participating in making good bridges between the party and the state and the voters. Actually contributes to the activities of the National Assembly, has many practical ideas, has high practical value to perfect the law projects. The law of National Assembly actually participate in the monitoring and decision-making activities of important issues of the country. Promptly dictate proposals to the central and city administrations at all levels to solve and remove many problems in real life.